So one of the valves that makes the head turn is stuck. Okay, so we're just doing with what we got to deal with. I adjusted the flows that I'm able to adjust. I need to get new rods for these ear cylinders. No, hold on, let me say that. Let me re-say that, okay. The rods that hold the cylinder in place, the clevis in place on the actual ear, need to be replaced because it's wallowed. It's like not the hole in the ear that's wallowed, it's the actual like piece of metal rod that goes in the clevis. That's what's wallowed out. So I need to replace those at some point. The flows on the heads are a little more difficult to control. Because I'm having a hard time finding where they're at. Like this eyelid moves kind of slow. I want it to move the same pace as this one. Because they don't move, you could see they don't move at the same. But I'm having a hard time finding like where those flows are, so I gotta like figure that out. But those seem fine. I adjusted the head so it's not as aggressive anymore, as you can see. I bought a controller and it should be coming whenever it decides to show up, and then I'll be able to do diagnostics and have the flows adjusted exactly like how they're supposed to be. But for right now, I just have them adjusted to basically me be not as aggressive. Right shoulder still doesn't work. I'm working on taking that apart. I mean, like right now, the cylinder's not even actually in. It's just temporarily put there so that this right arm doesn't get in the way of the left one. They go down at the same pace. And I want him to like be able to drum fairly fast. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's pretty, the adjustments aren't too bad. I get up, I won't come down. You got me spinning around and around, round and round, around we go. Something else, but nobody knows. Well, literally. Abra, abracadabra. I'm gonna reach out and grab ya. Abra, abracadabra. I have no idea what the like thing is here, but like anyway, this is because the PSI is really low, if you're wondering. It's not this easy to force this to go like that if the PSI is higher. It's like low right now. So this is currently not actually hooked up. I just had it here so that this arm wouldn't get in the way of the other one. This right shoulder is a completely different cylinder than this one, and it also is a different length of clevis that's on the actual arm itself. This is a very short clevis here, and this is a very long clevis here. Do you see? You see how they're like, this is longer and stuff.